The bushes and clouds in Super Mario Brothers? Same thing, just different colors. Oh, Grand Theft Auto. It was originally a racing game called Race and Chase, but there was a glitch that made the police cars go nuts. Anyway, the testers love it so much, they built the game around it, creating what we know and love as GTA. So if you think playing video games is a waste of time, think about this. With over 25 billion hours with a B, billion, that's 2.85 million years of total playtime. People have actually played Call of Duty for longer than the human race has been on the planet. And speaking of the planet, the surface area of Minecraft's overworld is 9,258,235 times larger than that of this Earth. And now for something out of this world, Game Boy was the first video game console to be played in space by Russian cosmonaut Alexander Serverov. And the game he played? Tetris. Speaking of Tetris, scientists have actually shown that playing Tetris can ease cravings for sex, drugs, and food. So maybe there is help for me out there. And here's one to further deteriorate your faith in humanity. Political prisoners in China were forced to play World of Warcraft and mine for virtual currency. Apparently that's a thing. I don't know. Speaking of overseas success stories, Angry Birds and Clash of Clans have single-handedly rejuvenated Finland's economy after the downfall of Nokia. In Assassin's Creed, every key character you assassinate was a real dude, and the date location of that dude's death are pretty accurate. So look at it as a history lesson more than just a bloody rampage. And here's one for our nostalgic 90s kids. GoldenEye 007 for N64, classic. It only had 9 developers on the team. 8 of those 9 developers had never worked on a video game prior to working on 007. Damn nice effort. And you thought your boss was a hard ass? Shigeru Miyamoto, he's the creator of Super Mario Bros. And Donkey Kong. He's actually not allowed to bike to work because his physical safety is just that important to the Nintendo Corporation. And here's one I don't really know how to take, but people who play video games very, very frequently are much more likely to be lucid dreamers, which means they can have control over their actions in their dreams. Which begs the question, why can't you take control over your real life and go outside? As always, thanks again for tuning in. We appreciate you stopping by. Remember to check us out on Instagram, Facebook. The links are in the description below. Remember to please subscribe, share with your friends, and tune in here every single week for a brand new episode right here on MAN-SPLANATIONS.